Nourishing vegan recipes, a journey to wholesome eating. Embarking on a vegan lifestyle can be an exciting journey toward health and sustainability. While the transition might seem daunting at first, you'll soon discover the world of flavors and nutrients that plant-based cooking can offer. Let's explore the rich tapestry of vegan recipes packed with nutrients to energize your day and nourish your body. The nutritional power of vegan ingredients. Vegan diets, when well-balanced, are abundant in essential nutrients. Whole grains provide sustained energy, while legumes and tofu deliver protein and iron. Vibrant vegetables and fruits brim with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and seeds support brain function and glowing skin. With these ingredients, you can create dishes that not only taste amazing, but also benefit your overall well-being. Recipe 1. Protein-packed lentil and quinoa salad. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup cooked green lentils, 1 handful fresh spinach, 1/4 cup chopped bell peppers, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large bowl, mix the quinoa, lentils, spinach, and bell peppers. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine. Serve fresh or chilled for a hearty, protein-packed meal. Recipe 2. Creamy cashew Alfredo with zucchini noodles. Ingredients: 1 cup raw cashews, soaked for 2 hours. Half a cup plant-based milk. 2 cloves garlic. 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. 3 zucchinis spiralized into noodles. Instructions: blend soaked cashews, plant-based milk, garlic, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, salt, and pepper until smooth and creamy. Heat the sauce in a pan on low heat. Toss zucchini noodles with the warm Alfredo sauce. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh herbs or vegan Parmesan. Recipe 3. Chickpea and sweet potato Buddha bowl. Ingredients: 1 medium sweet potato cubed, 1 cup canned chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 cup cooked brown rice or quinoa, 1/2 avocado sliced, 1 handful of arugula or kale. Tahini dressing for topping. Instructions: preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Toss sweet potato cubes and chickpeas with olive oil, paprika, and cumin. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast for 25 minutes. In a bowl, layer cooked rice, roasted sweet potatoes, chickpeas, arugula, and avocado slices. Drizzle with tahini dressing and serve for a satisfying and balanced meal. Beyond the recipes, a plant-based diet isn't just about eating, it's about embracing a lifestyle. These recipes reflect the simplicity and versatility of vegan cooking while providing all the essential nutrients your body needs. By incorporating dishes like these into your routine, you're taking a step toward a more sustainable and health-conscious future. The journey to veganism is a personal one, often accompanied by learning and experimentation. So, grab your apron, explore new flavors, and savor the joy of wholesome, compassionate eating. Let these recipes be your starting point. What vegan dishes will you create today?